Good day, dear students. I am Pinky Suhail, your social studies teacher of class 4. Welcome to another class of SST. Today we will learn about globe and maps from book Know Your World 4, page 20. Students, this is part 1. The earth. Look at the picture. What is the shape of the earth? What is the shape of the earth? The earth is round in shape. It is not flat like a coin. It is a planet. We live on it. The earth is the only planet where life is possible. Different pictures of earth. In previous classes, we learned that things look different if we see them from above or from the sides. When we go up away from the earth into space and look down from there, the earth looks like the picture shown in figure 1. Student, look at figure 1. Okay, as we come closer to the earth, we can distinguish different parts of it more clearly. For example, the continent of Asia as shown in figure 2. Students, look at figure 2. We can see the continent of Asia in it. Look at figure 3, where we come even closer to the Earth's surface. It is possible to distinguish different countries. The borders of some countries have been marked on this image. Look at carefully in figure 3. Where is our country, Pakistan? Can you recognize it? Our country is in the continent of Asia. And you can see a map of Pakistan green in color in figure 3. Here. Look at this. This is the map of Pakistan. What is globe? A globe is a model of the earth and is also a kind of map. Students, you have learned in earlier classes that a globe is a model of the earth and is also a kind of map. You can see the whole world on a globe. As you turn it round, you can see all the countries, continents, oceans, cities, all we can find on a globe. Globe come in different sizes. What is map? A map is a drawing of places on the earth seen from directly above. Students, a map is a diagrammatic representation of an area of land or sea. Specific things on the map are represented using special symbols. Each map has a scale, which is the ratio of the distance on the map and ground. A map can show the whole world with all the continents and oceans. Or it can show only one country or even only one town or village. Why do we need a globe and a map? Maps and globes are very important. Maps and globes are very important tools for identifying places on the Earth's surface. Both are representation of the real Earth at a manageable size. Students, how are globes and maps different? The main difference between using a globe and using a map is that you have to turn the globe in order to see the different parts of the earth, but on a map of the world you can see every country at the same time. Students, look at the world map. It shows all the continents and oceans. Look at this. This is a continent of Asia, Europe, Africa, South America, North America, Australia, Antarctica. Students, you can also see the oceans on world map. They are the Indian Ocean, the Atlantic Ocean, the Pacific Ocean, the Arctic Ocean, the Antarctic Ocean. Look at Indian Ocean, Pacific Ocean, Arctic Ocean. Okay, now we move to other slide. Features of maps. There are 4 features of map: a title, a key, a direction, and a scale. Again I repeat it: a title, a key, a direction, and a scale. A title. The title of a map tells us what the map shows. You can see Pakistan map on your screen. Student, a title of a map tells us what the map shows. Look at the map of the cities of Pakistan. The title of the map tells us that the area mapped is the country of Pakistan, and the special features shown are the cities of Pakistan. Students, you can see on the map the major cities, neighbor countries, provinces, and capital cities. Look at the map. These are the neighbor countries: Afghanistan, India, Iran, China. And these are the major cities of Pakistan: Quetta है, Sakkar है, Hyderabad है, Lahore, Faisalabad, Multan, Gilgit Baltistan, Peshawar. A key. On a map, the key legend shows all the symbols and explain what each means. Students, as you learned in class 3, we use symbol on maps to show actual places and features. On a map, the key shows all the symbols and explain what each means. Without a key, it would be impossible to read the map accurately. Look at this key, the same symbol used in the maps. Look at the keys. Mountain here, highest, elevation, river, capital, city, town, highway, railroad, airport, national park or reservation, outline. Okay student, it is the time to get your homework. Children, now this time you are not going to do your homework on Fullscape sheet. Hope you all bought your copies as well, and previous work you also will do in your social studies copies. Okay, look at your home task. Question number 1. How is a globe different from a map? Question number 2. Look at the title of the map. What does it tell you about the map? Question number 3. Look at the key. What do the symbols used on this map represent? Okay, student, note this. Complete the given homework on your school copy. Submit it in the school office every Wednesday at 9 to 11 with your correct name and class on it. Students, we will be continue the same lesson in second part. Okay, bye bye students. Stay home, stay safe. God bless you all.